Are high-protein diets really effective for weight loss? Protein-packed diets have taken the fitness world by storm, promising quick and sustainable weight loss. But are these promises backed by science or just another fad? Today, we'll dive into the role of protein in weight management and uncover whether these diets truly work or not. Protein plays a key role in boosting metabolism. It requires more energy to digest compared to fats or carbs, creating what's known as the thermic effect of food. Additionally, protein helps curb hunger by promoting feelings of fullness, making it easier to stick to your calorie goals. Reducing cravings is another powerful benefit of protein. By stabilizing blood sugar levels and regulating hunger hormones, protein can prevent those late-night snack attacks that derail weight loss efforts. Numerous studies support the effectiveness of high-protein diets for weight loss. Research shows that individuals consuming 25–30% of their daily calories from protein often lose more weight and fat than those following lower protein diets. It's not magic, it's science in action. It's science in. High-protein diets also help preserve muscle mass during weight loss. Unlike crash diets that lead to muscle loss, a diet rich in protein ensures your muscles stay strong while you shed fat, leading to a healthier, more toned physique. While high-protein diets are effective, balance is crucial. Overloading your meals with protein at the expense of essential nutrients like fiber, healthy fats, and vitamins can harm your health. Strive for a well-rounded diet that prioritizes protein while keeping other food groups in check. The recommended daily allowance, RDA, for protein depends on factors like your activity level and goals. For most active individuals, aiming for 1.22.0 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight is a good range to promote weight loss and muscle maintenance. Going overboard with protein has its downsides. Excess protein can strain your kidneys, particularly for those with pre-existing kidney issues, and may lead to dehydration. Consuming extremely high amounts may also result in nutrient imbalances and other digestive issues like bloating. Additionally, some high-protein diets rely on processed options like shakes, bars, and cured meats. These can be packed with additives, unhealthy fats, and excess sodium, countering the benefits of your weight loss efforts. Opt for whole food sources whenever possible. High-protein diets are a valuable tool for weight loss, especially when paired with an active lifestyle and well-rounded nutrition. They can improve fat loss, reduce cravings, and protect your muscle mass. Still, they aren't a one-size-fits-all solution. Moderation and balance remain key to sustainable results. Now that you know the science behind high-protein diets, it's time to take action. Start by incorporating lean protein sources like chicken, fish, beans, or tofu into your meals. Don't forget to pair it with wholesome carbs, veggies, and healthy fats for a balanced approach. Subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips and share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Take charge of your fitness journey because a healthier, stronger you starts today.